Welcome, traders. Today we're diving into the AQA Quant Institutional Levels Indicator, one of the core tools inside the AQA suite that helps traders see and trade the same price levels that institutions and professional desks react to every single day. Most retail traders get stopped out not because their analysis is wrong, but because their timing is. They enter at random points in the middle of nowhere, while large players are quietly building or offloading positions at predefined price levels. The AQA Institutional Levels Indicator solves that problem by automatically plotting those high probability rails, the price zones where institutions are most active, directly on your NinjaTrader 8 chart. Each of these zones represents a key area of liquidity where order flow tends to cluster. These are the levels that often cause the biggest reactions, the taps, flips, sweeps, and break and retests that define every major move. On your chart, you'll see this structure visualized as horizontal rails, clean, wide institutional bands with real-time updates. The green zones represent upper institutional resistance, while the red zones mark lower institutional support. Between these zones, price tends to balance, pausing, absorbing liquidity, and building energy before the next breakout. Once price breaks through one of these zones, the same level often flips its role. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and that's where some of the best continuation setups form. The algorithm behind this indicator uses what we call smart price range logic. It automatically detects the most relevant institutional levels based on volatility, session range, and market structure. No manual drawing or guesswork required. As price evolves throughout the day, the dynamic zone adaptation engine recalibrates those levels in real time, ensuring that what you're seeing is always aligned with current market conditions. Traders use this in multiple ways. For scalpers, these zones are ideal fade points, shorting into the top rail or buying at the bottom when price rejects. For trend traders, they act as breakout triggers, waiting for clean breaks, then entering on defended retests for high probability continuations. For swing traders, these levels define the broader range structure of the session or week, the stair-step pattern that the market builds as it climbs or descends. And for automated systems like Nova Grid AI, these institutional levels become critical filters, telling the bot when to engage and when to stand down. The beauty of this tool is in its clarity. It gives you an instant map of where price is likely to react, reverse, or accelerate. So instead of chasing price mid-air, you're waiting patiently at the same levels the big players defend. It reinforces discipline, helps you structure your trades, and brings consistency to your strategy by turning chaotic charts into clear, rule-based setups. Institutional levels also create natural trade management anchors. You can use them for stop placement, scaling targets, and trailing logic. For example, once price moves away from one institutional band, the next level above or below becomes your next logical profit target. It's a stepladder system, structured, repeatable, and easy to integrate into any AQA playbook. When combined with the range detector or the daily quant fib levels, the confluence becomes even stronger. The fib zones tell you where price is stretching. The institutional levels tell you where it's likely to respond. Together, they create one of the most precise frameworks for intraday trading you'll ever use. This is professional-grade market structure, plotted automatically, updated in real time, and designed to make you trade in alignment with the institutions, not against them. You'll know where price wants to go, where it's likely to pause, and where real conviction begins. That's the power of the AQA Quant Institutional Levels Indicator. Clarity, precision, and control in every market condition. Trade where the smart money trades, and see the market the way institutions do with AQA.